Today, we're diving deep into the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, a powerhouse Android tablet that's about to shake up the market. And here's a quick insider. When it launches globally, it will carry the iconic name OnePlus Pad 3. From the moment you unbox this impressive device, you'll notice the signature OnePlus style: sleek, premium, and built for performance. But that's just the beginning. Stick around as we explore its stunning 13.2-inch display, explosive Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, immersive 8-speaker sound system, and battery life built for marathon sessions. If you want to know whether the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, or should I say the global OnePlus Pad 3, lives up to the hype, don't go anywhere. Let's get started. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The package is impressively large, yet it retains the sleek and recognizable OnePlus design language. Included is a robust 67-watt charger rated at 11 volts and 6.1 amps, paired with OnePlus's proprietary data cable, which supports up to 8 amps for ultra-fast and efficient charging. Let's begin with the exterior design of the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. The unit we have here features the stunning deep sea blue color, crafted from a premium aluminum alloy. The surface undergoes a refined, frosted treatment, delivering a smooth, silky feel while effectively resisting fingerprints. The OnePlus Pad 2 Pro boasts an impressive 13.2-inch large screen housed within a remarkably slim body, measuring just 5.97 millimeters in thickness and weighing 675 grams. Considering the size of the device, these dimensions strike a great balance between portability and usability, making it both big and thin. The power and volume buttons are conveniently positioned in the usual spots. However, the device does not support fingerprint unlocking. Instead, you can rely on password or facial recognition for everyday access. Many users are undoubtedly curious about the performance capabilities of the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. At its core, this powerhouse features the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with a generous 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for lightning-fast data access and multitasking. To ensure optimal performance, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro incorporates an advanced sky cooling architecture with a substantial total heat dissipation area of 34,857 square millimeters. This thoughtful design effectively manages thermal output, allowing the device to fully unleash the potential of the powerful chipset. It's clear that OnePlus has meticulously focused on the key hardware components that influence performance, delivering a device that is not only powerful, but also reliable under heavy usage. With that in mind, let's move directly to the performance testing. The test environment is set at a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, with the screen brightness adjusted to 200 nits. We also enabled gaming mode to maximize performance. Given that the Snapdragon 8 Elite Edition on smartphones already handles Genshin Impact at full frame rates, we decided to skip that test on the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. Instead, we chose a more demanding game, Star Dome Railway. This game places a heavier load on the system, making it a more suitable benchmark. We set the image quality to very high with a native resolution of 1080p. The test conditions remained optimal with a full sprint run chart. Analyzing the frame rate graph, we observed that the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro maintained a full frame rate for half an hour, with an average frame rate of 59.8. The power consumption during this period was 9.1 watts. One of the standout factors behind this stability is the advanced cooling system. After the test, the body temperature was measured at 43.1 degrees Celsius, while the screen temperature remained at 39.4 degrees. The extra-large body, combined with the sky cooling architecture, efficiently dispersed heat, preventing excessive accumulation and ensuring sustained high performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Edition in the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro delivers impressive, consistent performance, particularly in terms of GPU stability. Throughout the entire test, the GPU temperature remained stable at approximately 60 degrees Celsius, enabling continuous and reliable output. To push the device further, we decided to increase the difficulty level. Within the game assistant, both Super Frame and Super Resolution modes can be activated simultaneously. Under these settings, the game resolution reaches 188p and the frame rate peaks at 120 FPS. However, if only Super Resolution mode is enabled, the game can achieve 2K quality with the frame rate capped at 60 FPS. Our preliminary tests revealed that the combined load of Super Resolution and super frame is relatively moderate, with power consumption slightly exceeding 10 watts. In contrast, enabling overclocking alone results in a significantly higher power consumption of around 20 watts, indicating a substantial increase in system load. This difference can be attributed to the higher processing demands of the Pad compared to a smartphone. Each rendered frame on the Pad involves approximately 4% more pixels than on a mobile device with a 14.6-inch screen, leading to increased power consumption due to the larger display size. Despite this, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro manages to maintain stable performance thanks to its efficient thermal management. Remarkable performance without active cooling. Through the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, we have witnessed the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset even in the absence of active heat dissipation. The device is capable of running high-load games at 2K resolution with impressive stability, showcasing its explosive performance. This easily positions the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro as one of the most powerful Android tablets available. However, for extended gaming sessions, especially with 2K games like Stardome Railway, I recommend using an external fan for active cooling. This additional cooling measure can protect the chipset and extend the lifespan of both the processor and motherboard. Display features. The OnePlus Pad 2 Pro boasts a 13.2-inch LCD display with an impressive resolution of 392 by 2400 pixels. This screen supports a 144 Hz high refresh rate and features full brightness DC dimming, providing a smooth and flicker-free viewing experience. The display's 7:5 aspect ratio closely resembles A4 paper, making it ideal for a more natural and comfortable reading experience. Brightness and color accuracy. Our tests revealed that the manual maximum brightness of the screen reaches approximately 590 nits, while brightness uniformity varies by around 80 nits. Under peak conditions, the excitation brightness can go up to 905 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright environments. In terms of color accuracy, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro offers two distinct modes. Natural color mode delivers a P3 color gamut 71% with an average delta E of 0.36, offering more accurate and balanced colors. Vivid color mode expands the P3 color gamut coverage to 88.2% with an average delta E of 1.29, resulting in richer and more saturated visuals. For daily use, the natural color mode is generally preferable due to its more accurate color representation. However, the vivid color mode can be a great option when you want to enhance the vibrancy of media content. When it comes to video playback, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro supports both HDR10 and Dolby Vision, delivering rich contrast and vibrant colors for an immersive viewing experience. The OnePlus Pad 2 Pro features a sophisticated 8-speaker audio system strategically placed on both sides of the body. This setup includes 4 high-power mid-bass units for deep, resonant sound, 4 ultra-wideband tweeter units for crisp, detailed high frequencies. The device also supports rotating Dolby Atmos, intelligently adjusting the stereo sound output based on the orientation of the device. This ensures that the audio remains balanced and immersive no matter how you hold the tablet. Now, let's experience the sound quality firsthand by playing some music.
这里，还有这里，从一根针落地的声音，到飞机引擎的轰鸣，
The OnePlus Pad 2 Pro is equipped with a substantial 12,140 mAh battery, offering impressive endurance for daily use. In our 3-hour battery life test, we evaluated the power consumption across various scenarios. Streaming 1080p online videos consumes approximately 7% of battery. Watching TikTok uses around 9% of the battery. Gaming with Stardome Railway drains about 20% of the battery. For moderate to light usage, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro can comfortably provide around 12 hours of battery life. making it a reliable companion for work and entertainment throughout the day. The device supports 67-watt fast charging, which significantly reduces downtime. In our tests, a 30-minute charge took the battery from 1% to 47%. A full charge from 1% to 100% took approximately 85 minutes. Considering the large battery capacity, this charging speed is quite efficient. The OnePlus Pad 2 Pro is priced competitively, with the base variant starting at $3,199 in China. When converted, this amounts to approximately £334 in the UK and $444 in the USA. In conclusion, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro stands out as one of the most powerful Android tablets on the market, effortlessly delivering 2K quality performance even in demanding, large-scale games. Its expansive display, combined with an advanced 8-speaker audio system, creates a truly immersive audio-visual experience that enhances both entertainment and productivity. With a high-capacity battery, it's perfectly suited for extended binge-watching sessions or long gaming marathons without interruption. If your primary focus is streaming videos and gaming, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro offers exceptional value with its impressive performance-to-price ratio, making it an ideal choice for users seeking power and versatility in a sleek, portable package. Don't miss out on my latest review of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII, Sony's newest flagship smartphone. I've just uploaded the video, so make sure to check it out for an in-depth look at its standout features and performance. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.